What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, going in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central. One two-box football break for you tonight. But first, the bad break drawing for last night's case break, giving away a $25 promo code. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Henry. And now for tonight's break. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here is the roster for tonight. And we'll start with the 2014 Absolute. Alright, first the Kid Reporter promotion. And Jadeveon Clowney, Khalil Mack, Justin Gilbert, Anthony Barr, Hog Heaven rookie for the Bears, Kadeem Carey, Jamal Charles, Hog Heaven rookie for the Rams, Tavon Austin, purple parallel, 6 out of 20, going to Paul. Cardinals Patrick Peterson, 54 out of 99, going to Richard P. Rookie 6-patch, Tools of the Trade, Odell Beckham Jr., 79 out of 199. Congratulations, Ashley. Rookie quad patch for the Eagles, Jordan Matthews, 246 out of 249. Going to Paul. Rookie jumbo patch for the Giants, Odell Beckham Jr. Another one for you, Ashley, 75 out of 249. And 8-player patch. It'll go to the Falcons. We have Devontae Freeman, Tom Savage, Charles Sims, Paul Richardson, Dante Moncrief, Brandon Cooks, Trey Mason, and Kadeem Carey. 58 out of 99. And the Falcons going to Brian tonight. Rookie autograph for the Ravens, Crockett Gilmore, 120 out of 199. Going to Paul. And a rookie auto for the Patriots, Kimbrel Tompkins, 7 out of 25. Going to Ashley. And now the 2015 playbook. For the Cowboys, Roger Staubach, Troy Aikman, 184 out of 199. Cowboys going to Paul. Autograph a jersey patch for the Patriots, Jimmy Garoppolo, 6 out of 10. Going to Ashley. And a rookie booklet for the Ravens, Buck Allen. Dual jumbo patches. Going to Paul. Numbered 51 out of 199. And that'll do it for tonight's breaks. Back at it tomorrow with a 2-box baseball break. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.